You tried eating less, hoping that this time things would be different. You avoided the foods you loved. You followed another diet, hoping that this time would be different. And when it did not work, you blamed yourself, your discipline, your body, your willpower. But what if you were never the problem? Perhaps the plan simply did not understand your body, your health, or your life. Because PCOS is not the same as thyroid health. Postpartum recovery is not the same as weight loss. And one generic diet cannot work for everyone. This is why we created the Fit Nourish, a place where nutrition becomes practical, personal, and possible. Here you will find clear guidance for sustainable weight management. PCOS, thyroid health, diabetes, postpartum nutrition, fitness, and healthy Indian eating. We will not promise overnight transformations. We will not make you fear food. We believe progress begins when you understand your body, not when you punish it. Subscribe to the Fit Nourish, eat better, live better. And this time, let us do it together.